Hey everyone, Matt here to show you how to reset your Beats Studio Buds Plus. First, you just open the case, then you see that button in the middle of the earbuds, just hold that down until you start to see this white light begin to flash white and red. If you have a phone nearby, you might also see that they go into pairing mode, but we're gonna bypass that by just continuing to hold the button down. This can take up to 20 to even 30 seconds, but as you can see, red light is flashing a few times. This now means that these earbuds are reset. So if you had them paired to a device previously, you would need to go into your Bluetooth settings and delete the connection. It would also reset the name, and any other devices they're connected to would also have to have the connection removed in order to connect to these earbuds again. That never gets old. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a lovely day.
If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.